Hi, PL4 introduced 4 new functions, and one of them is the shell offset function. So we're going to look at that today. So this is the function shell offset mesh. Click on it and you've got the choice, first of all, of making a shell that is a watertight thickened object, or just offsetting a shell towards the outside or the inside. The next choice, of course, is whether you want to do this towards the outside or the inside. To get an idea of why you might want to do this one direction or another, for instance, if you're making a face mask, you would offset to the outside so that the inside fits the face. In this object, it would make sense to offset towards the inside. I'm going to ask it to keep the original mesh. What I want to do is I've got a 0 thickness shell and I want to make it something that would be 3D printable. So I'm going to say I think I want a 1mm towards the inside and a shell which will watertight it between the outer and the inner shell. Click on apply. Note that it has to remove the texture for this process. And you can see that it's finished it, and if we zoom in, we've got filled edges between the two shells. So now we have a 1mm thick 3D printable shell. I'm going to just get out of it and turn off the original part because I did ask it to keep the original part. And now we have a new one called shell mesh, and that is the shell that was created. And we can just check it by, if you right click and choose properties, tells you all about it, and it confirms up here that it is watertight. So you now have a watertight 3D printable shell version of your object.